Guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Dollar Tree to do our weekly coupon haul, and we also are going in here to see what they have new because springtime they bring out all the newbies. So let's go, guys, and bear with me because I am barely making it today. Look, guys, they got a hiring sign up, and they should because nobody want to work with this lady. Okay, we in here with the Easter stuff. Oh, those are so cute. Now you guys know I love like towels and pillows. I make these into cute little Easter pillows. I'm gonna grab two of these. Two for Easter pillows. Okay, and then I'm gonna get two blue ones also. Yep. See what else they got. Okay. Let's look at the weekly wow table. Because I showed you all of these Easter things. They got candy. Oh, yeah. Pull and peel Twizzlers. Okay, I'm gonna get a pack of these. These are new for here. Starburst in a little package. The sour punches, those are super sour. That's like, I couldn't even tolerate them. Look at that Lifesavers hard candy, a spring mix. Okay, and there's the now later splits. I'm gonna get these for the kids too. Okay, let's go around here and let's look at the week. They got new candy out. I'm gonna try to see what else they got out new. For you guys, y'all know I gotta get my bread and stuff. Okay, so we got these big giant Gatorades out. The tiny coolers. Let's see, Monster Dragon teas. Oh, what are these? Oh, those pot tools. Gardening tools is out. Got tons of those. Okay. Let's see, what's the... Oh, face shields for $1. And I need one because mine just ripped today. And they got t-shirts under there. But I want to see if they got any hangs. Hiding soil. Okay. 8 pounds of hiding soil. Okay. What's that? I need that again. Got a big thing over there, hamburger. Okay. These little things, these kneeling pads for outside gardening. My daughter made a giant fan on her daughter's wall. It was so cute. Oh my God, it was gorgeous. I need a thing of dry erase markers. Guys, this Saturday be my first day back doing in-person budget and family coach class. I am so excited. Okay, guys, I need some spick and span, and I'm gonna get all those up there, and this is why. Retail arbitrage. I do these. The spick and span is hot right now. It's hot, so I need to grab it now. So I'm gonna grab all of those. They're $1, but for every 4, I think I could get $8 for. But I also have a guy that he buys these, and I found out that's why he bought them too. But I do a little here and there, and he must do big because he like get them for me, and he gonna give me $1.50 for every one that I sell to him. Okay, so hey, your girl gotta make her money too. That one is leaking. I ain't gonna get that one. Okay, 5, 6. Guys, look what they got. Cleaning vinegar. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, the ice cream coupon should be out soon. Those swirls, remember those? Those will be out soon. Oh, okay. We got coupons for these. So, I'm going to grab 4 bags because that's how many coupons I brought with me. And then this is the store where she done made up her own rules at. So, she only want to let me do 4 up in here, but I don't see her, so maybe I can get away with doing some more with someone else that's not afraid of her. Okay, bread. Okay. What's this? Donuts, I don't want those. Okay. So the Intimus people must have been here already. They done collected. Okay, that's the white donuts. And the bubbly bread. Oh God. Oh, there's some bread. I was about to cry. It's not, hold on. Okay, I found my Italian bread, so I'm gonna grab 2 of these. I actually need 3. The kids been on a, okay, that. Now let's go over here and look at the cereal. Because remember, those coupons always work. Put out the chips. Popcorn. Look at that Captain Crunch. Berries. Snack pack. Those are new. Okay. And then these, Ellie's, your local daily bread. Okay, there's some Sara Lee. I got spoiled to this bread now. Let me grab some Cheerios and some Reese's. Okay, so we all know these coupons, right? Organic bread. Okay, so let's go over what we have. So, guys, you know I got my bread, right? And I got 3 loaves of it today. Because I've been like running out of bread. And then 4 bags of the pretzels. These will all be free. Then these will be 50 cents each because those dollar coupons work on them. And then these are $1 a piece. But remember, I'm buying these for a guy that do retail arbitrage. And he is going to give me $1.50 for every one of these that I get for him. So I'm good with that. I'm here in the store already, so I might as well go on and grab it. Okay, so let's go. Let's look around a little more, and then we can get out of here. Okay, here's the Scotties. Scotties has been on sale through Ibotta. And Kleenex, but not through Ibotta. Okay. Oh, look at that. Bugles Bowl Barbecue. Let's grab a couple of bags of those. I'm going to grab just 2. I better grab 4 because my kids like them and so do I. So no use in me lying to myself. This is wild budget, guys. Y'all see that? All of this stuff. Oh, guys. I gave this to my mother to use. My little brother used it. He is acne prone 19. Acne cleared up. I swear his acne cleared up off that. He swear by that soap. My mother went and bought him like 10 bars. Okay. We're going to see if we can get toothbrushes, which you know they have to be the travel ones. So I'm going to grab 2 toothbrushes. Hopefully this witch is not here to harass us. Okay, and then you guys know I'll show you the coupons. And these 2 Colgates work. I know for sure because I bought them last week. No, Sunday I was in here and grabbed them for a friend. And so grab those. Look, the emergency. Next time I had it, I'm gonna get it. So the next time the emergency coupon come out and it says any size, these are free. It's 2 in a pack. I want to say if they tried this secret coupon, but I tried it last time I was in here and it did not work. So I want to keep trying stuff coupons on. You got to keep trying. Sometimes they work, sometimes they won't. Then they'll start back working. Now we got Alka-Seltzer coupons. These are originals. That one might work on that. Let me try it and I'll let you guys know. So the Scotch Brite sponge is here. Now that's Brillo. I'm looking for the Scotch Brite because you know we got that $1 off of 2. I don't know if these will work right here. Copper coated. I don't know, and I hate those. Those are not like, I don't like those. Oh, look at that little sample thing. Oh. These are glitching for 50 cents at Dollar General. Go watch my video. I can't wait till we get some more Palmer's coupons. I had so many of these. I think about 50 of them. I kind of used all of them or gave them away. A new body wash. What's this called? Oh, okay. Okay, guys, so let's go and check out, okay? So, guys, every coupon worked. Guess who checked me out? The coupon police. I think somebody told on them because. Okay, guys. So, I am back from Dollar Tree. I had to get home, guys, because I did not feel well. Oh God, I didn't feel well. Anyway, the story with the cashier. She was nice. Every coupon worked except that Alka-Seltzer coupon. But it looked like she just threw it in the bag because I don't know what was going on with her yesterday. Something better or something. Okay, so this is for the Reese's and the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. These I took for the 2 bags of Cheerio. This was for the 4 bags of the pretzels. These were for the 2 toothbrushes that have to be the travel, that have to say travel. These are for the 2 carry toothpastes. You know which ones I'm talking about, guys. You could carry them. And this is the Scotch Brite that I wanted to get, but the ones that someone else said that they got, they was not there, so I didn't get them. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed it. It's all freebies. So I had 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 freebies today, and 4 under $1. Bye.